Got a cough or a scratchy throat lately? Here's a simple food that can help the pair. Pears are rich in luteolin, a natural compound that can calm coughing and soothe your throat. They're also packed with water, so they help you stay hydrated and ease dryness in your airways. Plus, pears are high in fiber, which supports digestive health and better regularity. And here's something many people don't know. The natural sorbitol in pears works like a gentle, natural laxative. Pears are in season and taste great right now. Try adding one to your day. If this was helpful, please subscribe and hit the like button.